In a world where first impressions matter, taking care of your skin is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Unfortunately, skincare has often been a realm left uncharted by many men. It's a prevailing misconception that taking care of your skin is solely a concern for women. However, in the quest for overall well-being and confidence, men ignores the importance of skincare in their regular life. Let's kick things off by addressing a common myth. Skincare isn't just for the ladies. Our skin is like a superhero shield, protecting us from the outside world. Neglecting it can lead to issues like premature aging, dryness, and even acne. So, let's dive into why skincare is not just about looking good, but feeling good too. Historically, guys might not have given much thought to skincare, but times are changing. More men are realizing that taking care of your skin is a universal pathway to confidence and well-being. However, there's still a bit of hesitation out there. Today, we're breaking down that barrier and giving you a straightforward guide to a skincare routine tailored just for men. Let's dive deeper into each step of the skincare routine for men. Step 1. Start with cleansing. Cleansing is the foundation of any good skincare routine. Find yourself a gentle facial cleanser, one that suits your skin type. This step helps to remove dirt, excess oil, and impurities that can accumulate on your skin throughout the day. Cleansing provides a clean canvas for the rest of your skincare products to work effectively. Step 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation is like giving your skin a fresh start. 2-3 times a week, use a mild exfoliator. This step helps in removing dead skin cells, preventing clogged pores, and promoting a smoother, more radiant complexion. Avoid harsh scrubbing, as it can irritate the skin. Choose a product with fine exfoliating particles. Step 3. Moisturize daily. Think of moisturizing as giving your skin a drink. Regardless of your skin type, using a suitable moisturizer is essential. It helps to keep your skin hydrated, prevents dryness, and maintains a healthy moisture balance. Choose a moisturizer that suits your specific needs, whether it's for oily, dry, or combination skin. Step 4. Apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must, no matter the weather. Even on cloudy days, harmful UV rays can penetrate your skin, leading to premature aging and damage. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin. This step is crucial in preventing sunspots, wrinkles, and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Step 5. Stay hydrated and eat well. Skincare isn't only about what you put on your skin, but also what you put inside your body. Staying hydrated by drinking enough water is vital for skin health. Additionally, a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients that contribute to healthy, glowing skin. Now let's see, what should we avoid in our skincare routine? Avoid harsh scrubs. While exfoliation is beneficial, avoid using harsh scrubs that can damage the skin. Opt for exfoliating products with fine particles and use them in moderation. Gentle exfoliation promotes skin renewal without causing irritation. Don't skip sunscreen. One of the biggest skincare mistakes is neglecting sunscreen. Don't overwash. Washing your face excessively can strip away the natural oils that keep your skin healthy. Stick to cleansing twice a day. Avoid using the wrong products. Using products that aren't suited to your skin type can lead to issues. Choose skincare products tailored to your specific needs for optimal results. Don't neglect a consistent routine. Skincare is an ongoing process and patience is key. Remember, a good skincare routine doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps and being mindful of what your skin needs, you can achieve and maintain healthy, glowing skin. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and enjoy the benefits of a well-cared-for complexion.